Next topic is salt. When an acid reacts with base, it forms salt and water. So salts are formed by the neutralization reaction of acid with base. When an acid such as HCl reacts with a base such as NaOH, it forms salt and water, such as NaCl and H2O. NaCl is salt. So salt consists of positive ion and negative ions, such as NaCl consists of Na positive and Cl negative ions, and these Na positive ions comes from base such as NaOH, and Cl negative ions comes from an acid such as HCl. There are two types of salts. Number one, soluble salts. Number two, insoluble salts. Soluble salts, there are four types of methods for the preparation of soluble salts. Number one, by the action of an acid and a metal, such as when any metal such as magnesium react with an acid such as HCl, it form MgCl2 and hydrogen gas is produced. Here, to balance this MgCl2, we write here 2. MgCl2 is salt which is formed by the action of acid on metal which is magnesium here. Second method is by the reaction of an acid and a base. When an acid such as HCl react with base such as NaOH, it form salt and water. Here Na react with Cl and form NaCl. Here H react with OH ions and form H2O. So salt is also formed from the neutralization reaction of acid with base. Third method is by the action of an acid and metallic oxide. When any acid such as H2SO4 react with metallic oxide such as CaO, then here calcium react with sulfate ion and form CaSO4. Here hydrogen react with this oxygen and form H2O. So here CaSO4 is salt. So salt is also formed by the action of sulfuric acid on the calcium oxide or by the action of an acid on metallic oxide. Fourth method is by the action of an acid and carbonate. When any acid such as HCl react with carbonates or bicarbonates such as sodium carbonate, when an acid HCl react with sodium carbonate, then it form here Na react with the Cl atoms and forms NaCl. Here hydrogen react with this oxygen and form H2O. From these carbonates, carbon dioxide gas is also evolved. So here salt is formed by the action of acid on carbonate. Similarly, salt is also formed by the action of acid on bicarbonate such as NaHCO3. It form here Na react with Cl and form NaCl. Similarly, here water is also produced. Similarly, here carbon dioxide gas is also formed. To balance this equation, this first equation, we write here 2 because here sodium are 2. So we write here 2. Here 2 chlorines are present. So we write here 2 to balance this chlorine atom and this hydrogen atom which is here 2. Similarly, this equation is already balanced. Next, preparation of insoluble salt. Insoluble salts are formed from the precipitation method, and in this method, two soluble salts are mixed with each other, or aqueous solution of two soluble salts are mixed with each other, such as two soluble salts, aqueous solution of one soluble salt which is silver nitrate. When it is mixed with the aqueous solution of NaCl, it form here silver react with chlorine and form AgCl. Similarly, sodium react with nitrate ion and form NaNO3. Here, AgCl is insoluble salt and NaNO3 is soluble salt. So here insoluble salt settle down at the bottom in the form of precipitate. So when solution of two solutions of aqueous solutions of soluble salts are mixed with each other, they form insoluble salt and soluble salt. Insoluble salts settle down in the form of precipitates. From here these insoluble salts are separated. Another example in which sodium carbonate when react with copper sulfate, when the aqueous solution of sodium carbonate react with the aqueous solution of copper sulfate, then it forms sodium sulfate Na2SO4 and copper carbonate CuCO3. Here CuCO3 is insoluble salt and Na2SO4 is soluble salt. So insoluble salt settle down in the form of precipitates. So insoluble salts are always formed by the mixing of aqueous solution of two soluble salts. Then one insoluble salt is formed and the other soluble salt is formed. Insoluble salt precipitates at the bottom of any container or any test tube.